This video will demonstrate how to use a tool called ScheduleOnce. First, log into Google Applications. After it loads, click on Create a New Meeting. Since I am creating a meeting, I am the organizer, and the first thing that I need to do is to tell the system at what time I will be available to have a meeting with other people. And for our example, we will say that we are available through most of Monday, some of Tuesday. We're going to skip Wednesday, not available. And on Friday, we have a few time blocks. Next, I'm going to define how long my meeting will last. We'll say this is a meeting that is 90 minutes long. Then we put in a name for the meeting. And click on Save. Now the system knows when myself, as the meeting organizer, will be available, and it provides me with a link to share with everyone else that I want to invite. I will share that link with other people manually. When someone else clicks on that link, they are shown a view that looks like this, and they're asked to provide their name and then mark their own hours of availability. After they have shown what time they will be available, then they need to provide their email address and optionally some comments. After submission, the system will ask them to confirm to make sure of the details that they are sending. And then they are done. We are going to go through the process several times. This time I'm choosing the name Smith and marking slightly different hours and times of availability. Continuing, I'll create one more person and say that their name is Katie, and then mark what hours they will be available.
It should be saved here.
Next, the meeting organizer will log in and will see what times each person is available. And by moving this slider, they can decide what time to hold the meeting. It looks like this is a good time block. Everyone is available. So we'll start the meeting at 4 o'clock on Monday, July 25th. After choosing a time that I like, I will then schedule. Be sure to notice that this view only shows me one day. If I want to see other days, then I need to click on those days over here. I'll choose the 26th. Click to schedule. After doing so, the system asks me what calendar I would like to use. And this is actually asking me for a choice of Google Calendars, and the choice at the top is always a safe one to choose. After making your choice, click on Yes, and then go to your Google Calendar, and you will notice that your meeting has been scheduled. Google Calendar automatically has my guest list, and each guest will have received a notification by email at their Gmail address, or whatever address was used for the invitation. And it looks just like this. And this will link to the Google Calendar so that they can see